thing. I don't know. Okay. So fill any cup. I recommend like a paper or plastic one. Fill it with water. Okay. So now what you need is some table salt, baking powder, and if you can get it, I really recommend sea salt flakes. So next to here, you also, if you want to make your colour look cool, I recommend you get some food dye. Okay, so step 1, you'll need a stand for this. It's super hard to do. Okay, so put in like food dye of any colour. I want to make it look like the night sky, so let's make a black. So on the instructions it said 1 part red, 1 part yellow and 1 part blue. So that means a drop of each one in the cup. 1 drop. And last but not least, now get a teaspoon or a mixer and then mix it. So this is how to make like the night sky. Now we got like a blackish colour in there. And it really works more if you put more blue than everyone else. And if you want to make a bit more darker, put in another piece of red. Okay, so now you got our brewing potion, and you might be thinking, why do I need the table salt, salt flakes and baking powder? It's to make like stars in the night sky. So to make, the salt flakes are going to act as like the lighter stars, while the baking powder or table salt will act as the other stars. So let's get the table salt and put some in. Put in a bit of baking powder as well. And the larger stars, a few salt flakes. Now mix in the mixture with a spoon. And if you want to make like really large stars, get some Himalayan pink rock salt, and it can really do the trick if you want to make large stars. Or what's even better is if we put in some pepper. But for the sake of the video, I'm not putting any of those in. Instead, I'm going to put a bit more salt flakes. And there we are, we made the night sky, and it looks amazing. So now make the room dark by shutting the blinds. And I'll go get a torch and shine it in here. And now you can see the stars in the night sky all swirling around. Do you see them? And those things are like constellations in the water. You haven't seen it close up yet. This. Now that I made that, I'm going to show you the large model. We got it in a semi-dark area. And I made it in a bigger bottle and I made it lime green colour. Look at all of these, those are the stars. I put it in a bubbly, put it in soft drink so it's a bit more bubbly. But I still put the salt flakes in, which doesn't make any sense, but the salt evaporated, but the stars are still there. So that's supposed to be a night light. If you put it over the other mixture, the paper mixture, it looks super cool as well. So here's a tutorial of how to make the night sky.